Hey there, my friend. I got a quick question for you. How to add a white border to an image in Canva? You know, it should look something like this, or even this. That can't be that hard to do, right?
That's exactly right, Willy. Adding any kind of white border to an image in Canva is actually an easy feat.
Okay, Maji. If it's that easy, please show me. I would like to see a nice little deer in that nice little forest of yours, okay?
Sure, no problem at all. So first of all, we are going to Photos here and we are going to search for deer. Then we will take our deer picture or whatever picture it would be in your case. We will then drag and drop that onto our design. And now, of course, we can only add a white border to our deer here if the deer actually has a transparent background. So the first thing we need to do here is to remove the background. To do so, simply click on Edit Image and then click here on the background remover. Please note that the background remover is actually a Canva Pro feature, so if you're on Canva Free, this won't work. However, in Photos, you will also find pictures that have no background to start with, like this one here, for example, or this one here. And in that case, this will also work with Canva Free. Also, in case you're uploading your own pictures with a transparent background, then this will work as well, so no worries. So now that we got our deer here and the background is removed, we are going into Edit Image. And then look for the Shadows app. In my case, it's listed here under Recently Used, but in your case, you might need to scroll down a little bit to find the Shadows app. In case the Shadows app is not installed at all, you might even need to scroll down further, and you will then most probably find the Shadows app listed here under You May Also Like. In that case, you would have to click on it to install it first. Once it is installed, it will indeed appear somewhere here in this list. So in my case, I got Shadows here. And now the next thing we're gonna do is to click on Glow here twice. Then we put the transparency here to 100. We put the blur to 0 and we change the color to white. And as you can see, almost miraculously, we got a lovely white border around our image in Canva. I'm just going to increase the size here a little bit as well. Maybe let's put it to something like 9. And once you're happy with the results, simply click on Apply. Now all that is left for me to do is to reposition it. And that's it, guys. This is how you create a white border around any kind of image in Canva. This obviously works great for animals, but it also works great for humans, as you can see here. And in case you are a YouTuber, adding a white border around certain elements in your YouTube thumbnails is actually extremely popular, and it's something that you see all the time, because it really helps to make certain elements stick out in your YouTube thumbnails.
Yeah, that all sounds great, but how can I actually export my picture once I'm done?
That's actually a pretty good question, Willy. If you would just like to export your picture with a transparent background, you would click here on Share, then click on Download. For the file type, make sure that PNG is selected, and then the trick is that you tick transparent background here. Also for the selected pages, in my case, I would just like to download this squirrel here on page 3. So under select pages, I would make sure that only page 3 is selected. I will click on done and then click on download. Please note that downloading with a transparent background is also a Canva Pro feature. So in case you're a Canva free user, this outline method will still work. However, with the limitation that you will need to download the background as well. And that's really all there is to say about this topic. Now, I really hope that you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a good one and see you soon, guys. Bye!